Hi, it's Chansky here. Yes, today I'm going to unboxing this tripod and also I'm going to introduce my new camera setup to you guys. So this is Fotopro and UFO flexible tripod. Yeah, so since I got my new camera, which is Canon M50, my old tripod just cannot handle the weight anymore. And for me, Joby Gorilla, which is the really famous vlogger tripod, is too expensive for me. So that's why I got this new tripod and see how it feels. So when you open the box, you will see one for GoPro. And there's one, this is for phone. Yeah. It's kind of really cool. Yeah. So this is the tripod itself. And we don't need this. So yeah, it actually feels really light. You don't really feel anything. And it's really rubbery. See how easy it is to whip it around. And then you can put it back. And we're kind of soft here, so you can really easily to change it. Yeah, and the legs can be like this. Loosen here. And the only bad part is you can't really do much with this. They say 330 degrees, but no, I don't think so. It's like only like this. And now I'll try with my old camera, which is I used it since I was in high school, Canon S120. Seems pretty okay. You can just hold it here. Hold it for vlogging. And let's try if they can stand up steady and nice, okay? See, you can just do it right here, steady. And if you push it, it's actually stay really good. Pass the test. How about my M50? Can it handle the weight of it? Let's try with the new tripod with my M50. As you can see, it's pretty steady, and you know, everyone stay in their place and it is pretty stable like this. Pass the test. Seems like it's strong enough so far. Let's go outdoor and try it out. Okay, so test starts in this beautiful day. This is my bike that I ride every single day. I'm just going to try if the tripod can stay on my bike when I'm riding. Okay, so as you see, the bike test has been really good. And now I saw this pole, this one. So I'm wondering if it can stay on the pole. I'm going to try some difficult thing to let this tripod to hang on. Wish me luck, because so far it's just being so great. So we arrived in this little park in the city center, and I'm trying to find some places that I can try on. Okay, let's try. Wait, what do you think this tree? Maybe I can hand on it. Let's try it. Okay, so this is actually looks really good when I set up on the bench, so you can just like film yourself without holding the camera. I'm still not used to filming outside because people always look at me weird and think I'm a weirdo. Okay, bye. Okay, so I did the rest of the testing today. So far, I'm so grateful that I did that decision to get that Fotopro UFO 2 tripod. Okay, I don't even know the name now. Yeah, so I think on the road or most of the condition that you can see, it can tie up most of things, you know? Like the pole, the chairs, the trees, you know? So I think it is really affordable price and this is just like a must get you should have. So this video is mainly talking about my new camera setup, Fotopro UFO 2 tripod with Canon M50 camera. I'm pretty satisfied for this setup. After I film more on this camera, maybe I will do another video to talk about the pros and cons of this camera. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like it and share it for me. I'll be really grateful for this. Okay, that's for this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!